After winning silver medal in 2016 Rio Summer Olympics, national weightlifter Heidelin Diaz has felt the big change in her life. Here's Arian Marliare to give us updates about Heidelin Diaz.
After her silver medal finish in the 2016 Summer Olympics, national weightlifter Heidelin Diaz is still overwhelmed with the blessings and opportunities coming her way. From a multi-million incentive she received from the government to continuous TV appearances and interviews, the life of the 25-year-old athlete from Mampang, Zamboanga City has definitely changed. In an exclusive phone interview of PTV Sports, Diaz admitted that she is aware that with all the fame and attention she has been receiving from the public, come a huge challenge in her career. Some of Diaz's initial plans after her Olympic quest was to continue her studies in college, planning to take up sports science, go back to training gym until 2020 Tokyo Olympics, and to coach young lifters from Mampang Weightlifting Club in her hometown.
Yung time, parang hindi mo na hawak yung oras mo na ngayon. Yun yung mahirap. Pero para sa akin naman, since naglabas ako ng word na maglalaro pa ako for Tokyo 2020. So ako, nasagawa ako. Gawin ko kung anong nararapat para sa gold.
With all the attention she has been getting, we asked her if she is willing to try show business, like light flyweight Mansueto Onyok Velasco, who also won a silver medal in Olympic Games held in Atlanta way back 1996.
I think hindi pa talaga ako marunong mag-act kasi syempre, diba, kakaibang level na yun. Siguro sa comedy ako, hindi. Pwede din ako magdrama, iyakin ako eh. Hindi talaga eh. Sinong leading man mo? Pwede hawakan ko lang ng RC James Ray.
Meanwhile, Diaz expressed how elated she was to become an instrument and voice for all her fellow national athletes, to promote sports in the country, and to attract attention and support from the authorities.
Masaya and grateful ako kay God na binigyan niya ako ng ganitong blessing na maging daan ako to open, para ma-open yung mind ng siyempre taong bayan ng Pilipino about sports. Nasa sports talaga may unity. Lahat tayo nagkakaisa. So sabi ko, wow Lord God, iba pala yung impact ko sa community.
With her silver medal win, Heidelin broke the 20-year medal drought of the Philippines in the Summer Olympics. PTV News, Arian Malyare.